Okubangurwa oku kubaire kutirwemu amaani Honorable Arthur atwerire Kazoora omunyeshongero wa Ruhinda ey'amashuuma otooriinwe kandi bamwe aha babaire nibashomesa abebembezi habaire harimu Honorable Godfrey Subi Kiwanda ori chairperson wa Consultative Forum.
Government programs are a seed. Emyoga, PDM is a seed. And according to the Bible, when you eat a seed, you are cursed. In order to avoid the curse, never eat a seed. A seed is supposed to be planted, however small. You remember the story of the mustard seed.
Gire Chankwanzi, His Excellency President, okohereza Omwami Kiwanda Subi senior NRM kada akija nanye ngo abantu begese ideology eyentunguka eyo kwiha abantu omboro ano kuturije ku bantu taza omirimo ya government okukira munonga okuimprovinga akuhinga omwani ekindi okumakinga sure ngo projects za government zaba supervised wero.
Honorable Kiwanda Godfrey Subi araganise abantu ba Ruhinda ey'amashuuma kungu government neza kubatandikiraho project y'amaani kandi y'omwani ekiraba yambe okutunga oburugo bwa sente.
Work with him to make sure that we develop a nursery bed for Ruhinda South. Because we might be given some seedlings, but those seedlings cannot be enough. We want to make a coffee hub, this constituency into a coffee hub. A area of coffee hub. If you might be one in the middle, because your coffee is one of the best coffee now we have in the country. You know, in Africa, Uganda is #1 exporter of Robusta coffee in the whole world.
Bamwe aha babire bari omu mushomogu basimire enteekateekano ngi ya gavumenti kandi bagira ngu egyo yorekire kubahereza amasiko hamwe n'okwenegyeza okuhinga omwani omu kicweka eki okukiri ekintu kirungi.
Ninyakira obuheereza obu gavumenti eri kutuheereza na munonga omwani. MP weitu oronzirwe yateeraho okugira ngu nibaza kuteerera mother bed eyo kugira ngu abantu tuyiheho omwani tuhinga omwani nashemba munonga tiine kindi twakubaasa kushemba muri Ruhinda South ekikukira ky'omwani.
Aha project eje president ashaziremu kutuhereza aba Ruhinda South na munonga kwatirine n'omwani n'ekintu kikuru itwe aba Ruhinda South inambe mpango 95% n'abahingi b'omwani kandi omwani ogutwine obuzibu obugwine mugukira kurwara guma.
Abebembezi b'ekicweka eki bagambire Tayari West ngo kwakiriho ebyetengo bingi omu ishaza ryabo ebi bakubire nibenda abebembezi b'orurengo rwa haiguru nk'abanyeshengero okutamu amaani.
It is unfortunate umurumutara sub county ingizweteza harimu health center 3 harimu seed school nangwa even na health center 2 terimu enshonga nemwe kuba tusazire nkamutara kuba shazire mukabiri basha town council na sub county mwene kuba bambagambara mutara nkegombora bo bateka town council ito tini kitwara rebirembezo mu town council mwene routage twinshaba nkegombora nitonga mutara sub county nito tube considered umukeki ya district.
Enjoro y'abembezi abariho bwa hati eriyo niho hesandera kwija kandi abo bona batoreinwe bariyo nibeteekateekera kurahira bakatandikira enjoro y'abensya eyo bwebembezi. Gashaka Olivia Nasasira omuri Mitoma.